Hello guys and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will show you how to get level 20 fast in Valorant. Well, getting level 20 in Valorant is high recommended thing because using level 20 it will open you this locked gameplay, which is the competitive gameplay, which is allow you to play in ranked and get your rank up in Valorant. So, how we can actually get level 20 as fast as possible inside of the game? So, basically, inside of Valorant, there is nothing like in the shop that's it's named like, for example, XP boost or something like that. So, the only way to get XP is by playing the game. Well, there's also other resources of XP that can make you gain more XP inside of the game. One of them is playing with your friends. So for each friend you invite outside of your party and you play with, they will give you 10% bonus. So for example, let's say that you invited a friend, they will give you a 10% bonus inside of the party of XP. So after that, if you've invited like full squad, you will have 40% bonus of XP. So whenever you play a game, you will get 40% extra XP. After that, I highly suggest you guys that you complete these missions. So as you can see here, there is the first one of the day. So every day we'll have 1k of XP ready for you to take. 2k or 4k of XP daily missions, so you have around 5k per day, which are a really good thing. Like for example, let's say that you won a game, you finish these two, and probably you will get about 8k because the game itself, when you finish it, it will give you some like 1k of XP or 1k and a half. So after like you finish all of these missions in a day, you will get about 10k XP per day. And these weekly missions as well give you tons amounts of XP. So as you can see here, there is like 80k, 18k, and 18k, which is a huge amount of XP, and it will boost you so fast to get level 20 and to start your journey in the competitive mode. So yeah, guys, these are the only methods possible for in order for you to get your level 20 fast. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in down below in the comment section. And thanks for watching. Bye bye.